Hi, I'm Dr. Oindrila Dotto, practicing dermatologist in Wisdom, Shakespeare Charney and Salt Lake City Center. So today we're going to talk about a very current and a trendy topic that we generally call as the Medifacials. So Medifacial is a customized facial treatment done under the supervision of your dermatologist by incorporating several products which are specifically the medicated products designed intricately for the different skin types with the different skin concerns. Medifacial is a big term which works as a big umbrella under which a lot of facials or the treatments comes within. The very popular among which is the hydrofacial that we tend to hear from here and there a lot nowadays. Along with it, one can try the oxygenofacial, there is Mira peel, there is a phototherapy, diet therapy, etc. Then one can go ahead by consulting with your doctor. Medifacial can act on various different conditions. Basically, anybody whosoever walks into the clinic is a patient for the Medifacial. It works on the patient who wants a deep cleansing for the congestions or the comedones, blackheads, whiteheads. For people who's having an aging, super sensitive skin with the hyperpigmentation or the ones which needs a deep hydration from within, they can all go ahead and do the Medifacial. So any sort of a Medifacial that you want to do or go ahead with, the first very basic step is you consult with your dermatologist so that a deep understanding of your skin type and the quality according to your age is well understood by the patient and your treating doctor. You understand the certain concern that needs to be tried, that needs to be corrected according to the priority, and thereafter a specific sort of a Medifacial will be advised to you. Once it is advised, the very basic steps that are start is with the deep cleansing. For the Hydra, the deep cleansing start with a special probes which has a linkage through one the water goes ahead and it sucks out all the dirts and the grins from the top layer of the skin, and to the other channel that things goes away. Followed by there are steps which includes the deep exfoliations either with the peels or the exfoliator, and then the infusion of the serums and the moisturizers specifically designed for the hydrofacial. In different machines, different probes are attached. Like in hydrofacial, there are 7 steps. In the oxygeno, there are 2 or 3 steps. In the Mirapill, there are similar certain 3 or 4 steps where different probes are attached. Different probes have different functions with the modality of the absorption of particular serum or the active ingredients for your skin. To start with, one is there is a hot tool, one is the cold tool. The sums comes along with the RF or the vibrator. All these probes help nothing but just the deep absorption of the active ingredients, which gives a lot of hydration to the deeper layer of your skin, and that gives a plumpiness to your skin. If still someone wants to have a little bit of query or wants to go ahead or thought of doing any sort of a facial just for before any big event or the party, don't bother, just call Wisdom or contact me through the contact below and get your Medifacial done today. Generally, this is a very short time procedure. It mostly requires a timing of 40 to 45 minutes to get the entire procedure done. Moreover, a treatment, it gives you a soothing and the relaxing experience as well. And once the treatment is done, all you have to take care of your skin with your already practiced skincare regime, and most importantly, wear your sunscreen or the SPF so well so that you can see the result for the longer time. Anybody who's done with the facial, immediately one can see is that a glow or the tanning that you are facing for a very long time has been gone in just a couple of minutes. You get to see that glow or the enhancement of your skin quality in the next 48 hours, and once you maintain it or topped it up with your skincare regime at your home, you can maintain the quality of skin for better in the future.